Hello friend, welcome. My name is Donna, also known as Charming Jellyfish, noob adult fan of Lego and metalcore gal at heart. We have 3-in-1 creator noodle shop today, friend. It comes with 569 pieces and it'll cost you, well, cost me at that time about $45 in good old USA today. So with this 3-in-1 creator shop, it comes with the noodle shop, it comes with the arcade, and a bike shop. So today, friend, we will be building the arcade. I guess you can call it an arcade or a game shop, depending on where you are from. All right, and as we go ahead and take our stuff, our bags out of the box, I love stickers. As a noob, adult fan of Lego, my favorite part is the stickers. Other than, you know, actually building and then completing said build. I love stickers, especially with Lego, because they come in all different shapes, sizes, colors. And we have like a little newspaper thing. So we'll see about where that goes. I don't think that actually goes with this arcade that we're going to build, but time will tell. So it comes with 2 minifigs, and I love that it has 2 faces. One's a very happy face, and the other is just very excited. That's just me all the time. But I do love that it has legs that are bendable, and you can actually have the minifig sit, which is awesome. And then we have our second minifig. This is going to be our chef for the arcade build. Nothing on the back. And we'll put her hair on. I love that it kind of like swoops over her right ear. Oh, she fell. Oh no. Oh, okay. Yes. See, and that is a hearing device, which I think is amazing, especially when we want everybody to be included. Everybody is awesome, right? So hearing devices, I love that Lego. It's different, but it's, I love it so much. It brings me so much joy. So as we start our build, this cute little thing right out the gate, is something, well, okay, my friend, if you're new here, hey, how you doing? Welcome. My name is Donna, and I drop things just like that. I drop Lego bricks. I don't put them together the right way the first time, most of the time, and you know, it is what it is. I think it just adds to the fun. And sometimes it definitely adds frustration. But being a new adult fan of Lego, it definitely is a learning experience. All of it, building, whether I build it the correct way the first time or not, it's still learning, and I absolutely love it. I'm very thankful that I have found something that helps me grow in more ways than one. My friend, I hope that you do enjoy Lego as well, and I hope that you find peace with Lego. Because I know some people are frustrated with the way things are going, but my friend, you know, it is what it is. Things are not always perfect. Nobody is perfect. I surely am not. So if you are like myself and not perfect, if you tend to drop bricks, friend, hit that like button for me. Let me know I am not alone when it comes to building these sets. I don't follow directions for some reason. I know it's just pictures and numbers on the page, but friend, oof, look. See, that does not go like that. I'm very much a new builder. And you know, sometimes I follow directions, sometimes I don't. But that's life for me in general. Even when it comes to cooking, I don't. It turns out how it turns out. It's usually delicious, like 9 times out of 10. even if I don't follow directions. So as we go ahead and build a little more, we have a little dial. If we can get the camera to focus on it, let's go. Maybe. I love that the little gauge, it actually has like little indicator lines on it, and it resembles like a real stove. So that's pretty cool. I like that. And we'll go ahead and add that grill there, the grate. I don't know what that's called. Friend, I don't know names of things. I make them up. I will not claim to ever completely know names. I mess things up. Just like this. A first circle does not go there, friend. And just FYI, no brick separator comes with this set. I always have a brick separator on standby because I don't always put things together the first time. Sometimes I do, most of the time I do not. But yeah, it does not, the brick separator does not come with this build. Just fair warning. So, my friend, I'm very happy that you are here. If this is your first time here, please feel free to subscribe, turn on post notifications, so that way you are notified when new videos are posted. I appreciate you being here today as we build this Lego arcade. So, those walls, friend, that's not how they go. We gotta scooch things over, and we'll put something else right where those white pieces were. So we'll go ahead and build the walls. So I've never actually been to like Japan or China or any of the Asian countries over there where they have noodle shops and arcades and all those lovely, lovely things. So I don't know what their architect looks like. And if you know if this is kind of like resembles something over there, let me know in the comments down below. Moving right along, we have this cutesy little thing. Love that it's super duper bright pink. Like everything else is like kind of dull-ish in my opinion. Dull in color, and then you have this bright pink machine. Maybe it's like a slushy machine. I don't know. I love slushies. They're so delicious, friend. That wrench is not the correct one, friend. We need the short little one. And then we'll go ahead and squish it on down. And then we'll do our, what's this? Cash register. That's awesome, cause you do have, oh, friend. I just realized that's not that's not a grill, friend. That's not a cooking station with the little dial and the indicators. Oh my gosh, friend. Okay, so we'll go ahead and continue to build this little painting. It looks like Mama Elephant and Baby Elephant, and honestly, to me, that reminds me of Africa. Like the elephant with the tree. Oh, I forgot the name of the tree. But those type of trees that are only indigenous to Africa. I love that painting. It's so cute. So as I struggle to put this tire on the bicycle, once again, new builder. I am not a Lego master. You know, things I'm learning, friend. I'm learning and growing. Hashtag not a Lego master. And then we will, now that our bike is on there, we'll go ahead and continue to build up our walls. And my friend, if you are new, thanks for joining. First of all, I appreciate you very, very much. And I just want to let you know that sometimes I do get distracted, friend. It doesn't matter what it is. I get distracted by lots of things, anything. But sometimes if I go quiet, that's what it is. Or sometimes I'm just thinking like, what have I done here? Because that door does not fit. So we'll go ahead and get the handy dandy brick separator and remove some of those pieces so we can fit our door in. Oh, friend. So once again, I'm a new builder. Y'all don't come for me. I am always trying to figure out the best way to do things, especially when it comes to taking things apart and not breaking them apart completely. That first white piece just flicked off somewhere. Who knows where that went. So we will go ahead and put everything back together now that we have our spacing correct. And there we go. Boom, that part is back. And now we can put our door in. Huzzah. So next up, friend, we're going to, I do believe, finish off our walls. And for some reason, friend, sometimes I can't get things right, you know? So brick separator to the rescue. So we'll go ahead and put that little tile in there and then move along the top part of the walls. And now we are going to go ahead and do something. What is this? I'm not sure what it is, but I do love those contrasting colors. Oh, right, friend, sorry. Sometimes I get distracted. It can be by anything, anything and everything. It doesn't really matter, big, small, medium, you know. I get distracted. So sometimes if I go quiet for a bit, I got distracted by something or forgot what I was saying. Or, you know, I'm just suddenly in deep thought. I love this little claw machine. There we go, that's what it's called. But you know, we have to make sure we have a little dispenser at the bottom for our claw machine. So we'll put that back on there in a minute, but I was really confused about how the little claw wrench thing was going to fit. And it's a little hard to see, but it's in there. And I think that looks so cool. Even from a distance, you can tell it's like a claw machine. I love it. So it definitely looks like a real game, and the little handle, little joystick, and then you push the little button. Well, I mean, you can't really push the buttons, but you know, it's kind of what you can do in real life. So as we continue to build this little lamp for outside. And for me, sometimes when Lego puts, in my eyes, a random piece somewhere, like the bowl right outside the shop with next to the lamp, I don't understand it. Like, why would there be a bowl out there? And unless it's for the dog. Friend. Oh. I feel like I'm realizing things, like, as you know, we're watching this video, I'm like, wait a minute. That's what that is for. Oh well. All right, on to my favorite part, the stickers. So we have a cute little dragon piece, and that will go on, I don't know why I said dragon piece. It's a dragon sticker to put on a red piece. We'll go, yep, put it on, there we go. So as we're building this car, not a car, I thought for a minute it was a race car, because honestly, friend, I forgot what we were building. But it is not a race car, definitely not, because this is the arcade, my friend. I mean, it would be pretty cool if they had you build a little miniature racing car, but they did not. So if you are new like me, please make sure you are paying attention to the shape of the brick in the picture, because those red pieces, one was had like a gentle slope to it, the other was more like an angle. Yeah, make sure you have the right one, friend, or you know, you'll go back and fix it just like I did. And so we'll go ahead and build our roof. I do believe this is, and my friend, make sure, yeah, you pay attention to the pieces that are required and the directions that they are facing in the picture. Like I said, I'm a noob, so you know what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of skippity bippity and move it on. I had to, we had to figure out the directions and things were not lining up and it was a struggle, so skippity bippity. So now that we have things going the correct direction, everything goes so much smoother, my friend. Whew. One day I'll be able to get it together, but it's not today, friend, and I'm okay with this. All right, with this roof that we're attaching, for some reason it does not quite line up, and it most likely was user error, but boom, squish it all in and I do believe it'll fit. And then we'll go ahead and continue to build. These alternating green arrows. Ooh. Oh, that just came out. Well, we'll put that aside for now. That's all right. Yes, my friend, I knock things over, I drop them, I break them. Things don't line up perfectly, but you know what? It's okay. It's fine, friend. We just keep learning, learn from our mistakes, keep it trucking, keep growing. Oop, no. Oh, ha, flippity floppity. Oh, sometimes, friend, I get bored while building, I'm not gonna lie. So I do random things like that because why not? Okay, so as we build this, I do believe this is the controller. Well, a game controller. There are, you know, with this build, there's not many things I would change because I thought it was pretty good. Just maybe the shapes, how I struggled with the shapes. But that's, you know what, that's me. So never mind, scratch that. I wouldn't change that. So we'll go ahead and put this controller on. Ta-da! Check it out. It moves, it can rotate. Fran, this is amazing. All right, my friend. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today. Make sure you are subscribed, turn on post notifications so you get notified when we do our next video. May you stay happy, stay healthy, and always have chapstick in your pocket when you need it, friend. Bye.